Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Mint newspaper headlines. So, first of all, learnings from RBI's financial stability report. Next, an echo in Brasilia. Next, on page number 2, in that how COVID once again has the world worried. Next, on page number 3, in that early backers in talks to sell stakes in Byju's. Next, TCS profit rises 11% but misses estimates. Next, privatization of IDBI Bank likely in FY24 first half. Next, stocks rally over 1% on global cues. Next, inflation likely stayed flat in December. Next, on page number 4, in economy and policy section under that, has prices stabilized, government may lift rise exports restrictions. Next, financial minister may propose to upgrade build MSME industrial areas. Next, more essential drugs comes under price regulation. Next, infra project delays causing cost spikes. Next, India, Sri Lanka to start top level G2G talks on power transfer link. Next, DGCA notice to Air India after India. Next, Bloomberg's healthcare focused startups were in pre-series B1. Next, Morgan Stanley run fund invest in uh, geriatric care startup Athulia. Next, Kotak Securities, Kunal Shah, other back fintech firm Bank Sathi. Next, Samara Capital sells stakes in three firms for $150 million. Next, Cropin Tech taps investors for rupees 113 crore. Next, HDFC Capital raises $376 million in fourth fund for affordable housing. Next, gaming industry seeks clarity. Next, unverified devices put Indian firms at risk of hacking. Next, Chirate Ventures to focus on taking Indian startups global. Next, on page number 7, in mark to market section under that, tire costs burn rubber, capex trends are high. Next, Titan had a decent quarter 3 update, but its shares need far more glitter. Next, value stocks to lure investors during grim earnings season. Next, hedge funds boost dollar shorts on bets for slower Fed hikes. Next, inflation likely stayed flat at 5.9% in December. Next, zero the FY 2022 profit jumps 87% to rupees 2094 crore, revenue at rupees 4964 crore. Next, privatization of IDBI Bank likely in first half of next fiscal. And then on page number 8 in corporate section under that, banks chase deposits with campaigns increased rates. Next, sustainability has become value driver for PE cause BCGP. Next, coaches get interim bail in fraud case. Next, MCA waives late fees for 15 days as it migrates to new statutory filing system. Next, after 3 years, Auto Expo holds promise for emerging technologies. Then on page number 9 in corporate section under that, Gencos told to blend 6% imported coal till September. Next, conducted outside workplace could land staff the pink slip. Next, D&A in Havali floats tender to outsource GSDP estimation. Next, Byju's backers looks to sell stakes. Next, TCS net profit rises 11% in December quarter but misses estimates. Next, Stocks rally over 1% after 3-day losing streak on global cues. Next, India's venture debt market has grown every year. Ankit Agrawal. Then on page number 10 in the corporate section under that, NCLT denies relief to Torrent in Reliance Cap case. Next, paid subscription plateau for OTTs after the COVID lead spike in viewerships. Next, Amul MD Sodi oust COO Mehta locks in. On page number 11 in that news wrap in that section, OVL retakes 20% stake in Shakhalin 1. Next, new Parel house is ready by Jan and next, ban on BS3-4 vehicles in Delhi. Next, Star asks BCCI for discount deal. Next, COVID may have been a leveler in terms of inequalities SBI. Next, TV channels asked to strictly follow code. Next, Paravasi are Indian ambassadors PM. Next, Adani said to buy Radius East states. Next, High Court asked Grover to maintain decorum. Next, India budget to be fiscally prudent. Then on page number 12 in global section under that, AstraZeneca boost heart kidney business with $1.8 billion Syncor deal. Next, Rolls-Royce writes luxury demand to sales record in 2022. Next, Vodafone to receive $1.8 billion from sale of Hungarian unit. Next, Goldman to cut about 3,200 jobs in this week. Next, Brazil capital reels has anti-Lula Reuters storm Congress. Then on page number 13 in that long story, coming soon, Elaine discipline for auditors. Next, on page number 14 in Mint Money section under that, the journey of an award-winning Bangalore-based financial advisor. Next, a year of records, mutual funds on a high, need sustained thrust. Next, return on my investments. Next, home is NRE income of foreign citizens taxed. Then on page number 15 in viewed section under that, Joshi Math's emergency memo on sustainability. Next, a lesson from an innovators who leaped where others feared to tread. Next, the IT sector's tweak group may need COVID bloat relief. Then on page number 16 view section under that, a good industrial policy is about making and not picking winners. Next, Sunak's math enthusiasm is not very like to rub off on Britons. Next, the US Deep States survey on public debate is disturbing. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.